Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Ichda Annisa Yasmin from the study program of to Islamic Religious Education STAI Persis Garut. I'm 19 years old. My goal is to make this video to fulfill one of the tests of the English course. Therefore, if there is an error in the language, I apologize because it is still in the learning stage. The certain time, just go ahead.
Before I clean it, use micellar water from wadah. By the way, because my face is pimple, so I'm using a product for oily or acne. Next, I use acne smoothing mist from Latulip. Next, I use sunscreen from Wardah. It used to protect the face from sun exposure. Next, I use BB Lightening Beauty Balm Cream from Wardah. Next, I use acne solution loose powder from Funbook. Next, I use Cream Blast from Emina. Next, I use Tender Care from Oriflame. It used so that the lips do not dry out. Next, I use lip cream from Wardah, which is number 13 Fruit Punch. Next, I use lip tint from Wardah. I use number 1. Next, I use this to flex my lessons. And the last I use is Aqua Beauty Mist Protect from Pixie. It used so that the makeup that is used remains durable.